just fall down, and I just saw a spider on the stand.
Yeah. So we found this birdhouse a few days ago while hiking, and we figured we'd come back and we'd fix it. Oh, be careful. Except we brought the whole family. You got Zach,
Yeah, Essa.
My wife Sarah, and we got Essa.
Say hi, buddy. There you go.
All right, let's get to working on this thing and get it set up for the new residents. All right, first, I'm just gonna clean it out. Back up. All right, just like that. Pull the old screws out, and we're gonna tap the old nails out because we will be reusing those. So they have, I'm not gonna pull them completely out, but they have these little hooks here. So we're just gonna pull those out. And now next, we're gonna tap the nails out, just on the side here. Again, we're not gonna pull them all the way out. Just enough. Just like this. Now we're going to put the lid back on, or the front. We're just going to snug it up, and I'm going to tighten down the J-hooks, and Zach is going to hit the hammer. Hit the nails down with the hammer here.
Yeah.
So let's make sure that these are all tight, just like this.
Hold it normal for
Just
me
like
to
that.
do.
I will. And make sure. Yep, that's good. All right, Zach, hammer away. Got it? Oh, almost. Okay, here, I'll finish it off for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, and then, oh, here, that way they can see. Come over here and hit this one. I'll put it, there you go, and hammer that one in. Okay, I'll finish it off for you.
I got it.
Okay, let me tap it in for you. There we go, and that's that. And now that's solid. Oh. We're just gonna do this.
Okay, should I hold it like that?
Okay, just hold it right like that.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, since I don't have a shovel.
Daddy,
Hang on, buddy. Hang on.
when we finish
Hang on, buddy.
can we...
Hang on.
Oh, this rope is useful.
Just like that. And we'll do one on the bottom.
They will appreciate it.
The birds, I hope so.
I'm sure they will.
There we go. All right.
Should I let it go?
Yep.
If there's...
It's a little wobbly, but
I think you should do another one
It'll
in the
be
middle
fine.
somewhere.
I could. I don't know if it'd make that much difference, though.
Do you have enough rope?
Yeah, and I want to make sure I don't put too much rope on the tree.
Oh, okay. That is
Alright.
good now.
We got the birdhouse all finished. Should be good. And it's lashed to the tree here because we don't have a shovel to bury the post properly. But this is only temporary until the maintenance team can get out here and actually bury it the proper way. But there it is. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we're gonna keep doing more. So we'll see you guys later.